How are you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. What is this? This is a book. Whose pen is this? This is my pen. What are you doing? I am reading. Where is he? He is at home. Are you busy? No, I am free. Is it raining? Yes, it is. How is the weather? It is very hot. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What do you want? I want water. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Where are you going? I am going to school. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Can you sing? Yes, a little. What time is it? It is 10 a.m. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. Where is your friend? He is in the park. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I do. Are you feeling well? Yes, I am fine. What are you watching? I am watching TV. What do you do? I am a teacher. What is your favorite sport? I like football. Is it your phone? No, it's not mine. When do you sleep? I sleep at 11 p.m. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Do you like movies? Yes, I do. Where is your father? He is at work. Do you cook? Yes, sometimes. Can you drive? No, I can't. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What is your favorite drink? I like coffee. Is it cold outside? Yes, it is. What are you eating? I am eating rice. Do you like reading? Yes, I love reading. What is your job? I am a student. Do you play cricket? Yes, I do. Where do you work? I work in an office. Can I sit here? Yes, you can. Where is the market? It's nearby. Do you know him? Yes, I do. Do you like traveling? Yes, I do. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Are you tired? Yes, a little. What's the problem? Nothing, I'm fine. Where is your school? It is in the city. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Do you have a bike? No, I don't. Is your mother at home? Yes, she is. Where is your bag? It is on the table. When is your birthday? It is in July. Are you happy? Yes, I am.